Hi guys, so second review of today. That stuff. So that stuff which was delivered with the leg loop, whatever. Uh, so I was looking at the new knives on AliExpress on DHgate as usual, and I just tried to put on the keyboard A8 knives, and I've found that one, which was a little bit expensive, but I show you the stuff. Let's go on the other side. So you will recognize what it is. This is a clone of the Colonel Moshwan Extreme Ratio knife. But this is a clone, not a copy. You can see that that's the same brand which is doing the Rambo knives I have. So they have done the Last Blood knives. And I have seen that they are doing that one, and usually it was expensive. It was 108 euro. And usually when they do knives, that brand, they have really good quality. I was really satisfied with the quality. So it seems to be a perfect clone, but really perfect. I even not sure if this is not produced in China for some of the clones. And I mean that everything was looking the same as the original knife, except this is not N6090. This is A8 steel, which is good too. Maybe not as good, but good too. And the original price of that knife is 400, more than 400 euro. And here you can find it at 108. It's really good. So let's see what do we have exactly. So we have a very nice Extreme Ratios kind handle, which is not in G10. This is in Kraton. So that's the, you see, you can mark it a little bit. So it's a little bit softer than G10, still hard, but there is a, it's not slippery at all. Very comfortable. It's the first time I have the Kraton handle in my hand. And you can see that the handle is really well made. Small screw breaker at the back. You have one screw, so you can unscrew it and change the handle if you want. Exactly in the same one. And you have a very nice blade in A8 with double dagger, small jumping here. A big jumping, not small jumping, but big jumping here. Look at that. And this is titanium coated. And really well made. I mean that. They sell it with the titanium coated or no titanium coated, so just the steel like mirror polish or stone washed. So you have the options, and they sell it in Tanto too. If you talk to the vendor, he was offering me to do the Tanto. The only difference with the original model, this is they don't have any serration on the blade. The original one, he has some serration here to cut some rope or something like that. This one, they don't do it. I asked if they have, they don't do it. But it seems to be exactly the same on the blade. And then what do we have? It's delivered, you know, because you have a lot of clone of Extreme Ratio, pretty well done or not, in the AliExpress or DHgate, but all of them usually they put the name Extreme Ratio on it, which is not so good. I mean that stealing the design is one thing, but stealing the name is something again else, which is the next level of the copy. The clone, I think for me it's still acceptable. But then they have the sheath, which is the exact sheath of the Extreme Ratio. You can even see they put the name on it. So they deliver it with the actual Extreme Ratio sheath, I think, or a very nice copy, if this is a copy. It's really, really well made. So what do you have? You have one plastic insert, outpost plastic insert, where you can put the blade. So you can put it in both sides, this one or this one for left-handed or right-handed, securing by that plastic clip. So if you take it out, you just press here, securing while the blade. You have a little bit of movement, as you can hear. So it's not like in a very good Kydex, but this is what they do. Then you can again secure it with two pressure button here, working well. So now it's moving less. And then you can secure it again with that system. So here, I mean, when you wear it, the good thing this is that when you put that on the side of a bag, or it's nobody see that you have a knife. People, they are not stupid, but from a long distance you cannot see that it is a knife, so you can carry it on the sides of your bag or whatever, and it's a little bit discreet. I mean, that's not too much show off that I have a very big combat knife. Could be something else, so whatever. So I think that is good. Even if you look at the size, it's, you don't see directly that it's a knife. So if you walk or whatever, it could be good. They have to, with that, I take it out because I will not use it, but it's very easy to attach. You take out that and you put it here and here. You have an elastic and you can attach it to the leg if you want to carry it on the belt. So they deliver with that. You can put that on the mold system very easily, and you can take out that cover. So it's easy to take it out. So yeah, at the end, I mean, that's 108 euro, very good knife. I tried it this weekend, and I mean, that's a beast. It's a very, very good one. I'm really satisfied with that stuff. It's really combat style, but the tip is strong. I try to plant some twists and to turn with and whatever, it's strong. And the coating seems to resist well because I try to cut a lot of wood. I don't have any mark on it. So I think it's really well done. The handle is really comfortable. I'm really satisfied. So let's look at the spec. We have 14.7 centimeters blade. 29 overall, a little bit less than 29, but almost 29 overall. 16 to the handle almost. And the thickness is 0.6. So that's thick. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah. 0.6. Yeah, 3 centimeters blade approximately. So yeah, pretty cool. Not too big. I mean, that's combat knife. Yeah, commando knife, but it's a good one. Let's look at the weight now. Yeah, so 269 for the knife. If I put the sheath, should be heavy, 487. But it's a big one, and you can take out some of the part. And again, this is very good quality. I mean, that's, yeah, this is really, I'm now really satisfied of the quality of it's a big one, the sheath, but very good at the end. So yeah, I mean, it's cool. They sell it in black, I think, and in yeah, they have several colors, 2 colors, one black, one dark brown, and they have, if you ask to the vendor, titanium coated or not coated at all, and then you have the Tanto style or drop point style as this one. Yeah, that's all for today. Good one. Thanks guys, bye bye.